Difficulty. From the Jamaica Fire Brigade to pull inside. Attacking men for Scotiabank now. Smith check to put the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot.
Basketball cannot be won or lost in the first half. It is you have to play a full game in order to win. They came out, they punched us, we took it, and we made some adjustments.
Talk a bit about Helps, who just kind of like took over things in the closing parts of the game. Your thoughts?
Yeah, man, that's one of our key players. We look to him for these types of things where he controls the game, he decides where the mismatch is, he decides where the attack should come from, and we trust him to do this. We trust all our players, but we know that he's capable. He's an NBL player, and we depend on him. He's a key part of our team.
Well, we started well. As you see in the first half, we were up by about 7 points. In the second half, we started making some shots.
So 28-26 the final score in game 1.
We came back at the end of the game and we were up by about 1
by a window
with about 18 seconds left, and that's where we lost the game. Basically, watching them too late, and that's where basically we lost the game. So just to recoup, fix the mistakes and come back next game. The 5-game series, so we're still in good stead.